Today we'll be taking a look at the GPD Pocket, a Windows 10 laptop that is a little bit out of the ordinary when it comes to size. GPD has been known in the past to produce Android gaming handhelds, and last year broke into the Windows market with a hybrid device. As you can see, the box is a matte finish, and on the left hand side under the cover there is a charging brick, headphones, and also a USB Type-C cable. The adapter has an output of 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2.67 amps, and at 12 volts 2 amps. Now this is a USB Type-C, so in the box there is a Type-C to Type-C adapter. If you have another adapter from, say, a mobile phone, you can also use this as well, but it will most likely not charge as fast as the included adapter. We have a set of earphones here which look a little familiar. And now we can head on to the main event, which is the GPD Pocket. Just as a note, there is a manual inside along with a screen protector. The manual isn't going to be full-fledged, but does give you a quick overview of the physical aspects of the device and some of its components. The exterior is made from metal. It looks quite nice. And once we open the device, you can see the large 7-inch display. There are borders on the right and left hand side. On the right hand side of the device, we do have a ventilation grill, USB Type-C, micro HDMI 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB 3.0 port. As far as the keys go, they are quite large and they do have good travel. The only exception is the power button, which is a little bit more clicky and shallow. As far as daily use on this, the keyboard is probably not going to be the most comfortable to use, but should work in a pinch. There is a little nub for navigation, or you can always use the screen as it is a touchscreen display. For now, this has been a quick unboxing of the GPD Pocket. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.